Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial about the Linux. And in this video I will talk about how you can actually change GTK3 or GTK4 especially themes in your Gnome Desktop. Now you already know that from Gnome 44 I think. Now all the apps are now ported to GTK4, especially core Gnome apps. And it is now very difficult to apply a custom theme for the GTK4 applications such as Nautilus File Manager or Tweaks or Gnome Softwares, etc. Now in this video, I will show you guys that how you can do that. And currently I'm using Ubuntu 25.10. I'm showing you guys. You can see Ubuntu 25.10 I'm using with Gnome Desktop 49.0. And the Yaru theme, it is working here. You can see this is the Yaru theme, and all these things you can see. Now it's very easy to actually change the icon theme, the cursor icon theme, and also the shell theme a little bit. But GTK4 theme is really difficult, and that is for this video. So now to change or apply a custom GTK4 theme, you need to download it from www.gnomelook.org, and from that website you have to download the themes that supports GTK4. Now how you can actually know that it is fully supported with GTK4 or not? I have downloaded Orchis Green theme, and when I opening it with the file roller, you can see, suppose Orchis Green I want to apply. So going there, and you can see this theme is for Cinnamon Desktop, for Gnome Shell, GTK2, 3, 4, Metacity, and there's the Plank theme also, and also XFCE support is there. Now you have to go to the GTK4, and here the asset, this folder is very much necessary, and also GTK4 folder is necessary of course to apply GTK4 themes. And now it is okay, then you are ready to go. So first of all, let's extract it. So I'm currently extracting. Okay, extraction done, right? And going to that directory Orchis Green, and here different flavors of Orchis Green GTK theme. I'm going with the Orchis Green, right? So what I have to do, that I have to copy this folder to my, first of all go to the home directory, right? And here press Ctrl H to show all the hidden files starting with the dot. And now search for dot themes, this folder. If this is not created by default, then create it, okay, by right clicking and create new folder and create dot themes, right? So I have already, so just paste it. Well, now the second step. Now the second step is that go to the GTK 4.0 folder, and here all the contents you just copy, and then again come to the home directory, and now go to .config directory, and here you have to go to the GTK 4.0, and here you can see only one file is there, settings.ini, and here paste all the things, all the asset files. And now go to the Gnome Tweak tool. If it is not installed, then install it from the software center. This is the Gnome software center, and you have to type Gnome Tweak, and you can see this is the Gnome Tweak software. You have to download, and then you open it, go to appearance, and here you just apply legacy applications to Orchis Green. Now GTK apps are working perfectly after applying this. But for the GTK4 themes, if I want the complete greenish look, so I have to make some changes, and I have done it in the appearance of the GNOME tweak tool. I have just the icons to greenish, and the shell theme I have changed to orc is green, and legacy application, of course, orc is green, I have done before. And now right click in the desktop, change background, and now these are the accent colors. So I have changed the accent color to green. So all these things I have done to actually get the theme, and you can see this is now green, this is green, and these are the green things, right? And also the shell theme you can see. So these are some tweaks I can make for it. This is not perfect actually. GTK4 custom theming is actually under development, so some time will be needed to apply the perfect GTK4 theme. To change the GNOME shell theme, you have to first install the extension of the GNOME shell theme. Okay, I'm just showing you guys. So extensions, so user themes, this extension must be installed, okay, to change the GNOME shell theme, right? So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.